Good morning class. So today we will discuss the question answers from the chapter The Modern Period. This is your first chapter from history which we have already discussed and you are given with the notes. So let us proceed. History has divided into dash periods 3, 4, 2 or 5. So the correct answer is 3. Why? Because history is divided into ancient, medieval and modern period. Okay, so the next question is, this century is generally taken as the beginning of the modern period, 16th, 17th, 18th or 19th. So the correct answer is 18th. 18th century marks the beginning of modern period. They introduced the culture of recording everything. So who were they? British, Mughals, Delhi Sultanate or the Cholas. So you might be confused between Britishers and Mughals, but the correct answer is Mughals. They introduced and later Britishers carried out this procedure in a more better and a redefined way. Diaries and accounts of pilgrims are an example of what? Official record, survey record, indigenous record or foreign records. So the correct answer is indigenous record because these were the records of individual persons. Okay. So true or false? Dates in history are not linked to events. So the answer is false because dates are actually linked with the events or procedures taking place in the past. Colonialization and urbanization are two of the many defining features of the modern period. Yes, indeed, it is true. Colonization and urbanization are actually two major defining periods for the modern period. Interpretations differ in history, definitely true, because history cannot be viewed from one viewpoint and it cannot have one straight answers. So that is why history has many interpretations. Official records are archaeological sources? No, they are not archaeological sources, rather they are literally sources. So the answer is false. So let us start with your C part, which is give short answers for the following questions. What is history? How has the study of history evolved over time? Okay. So basically, all the yellow part of the lemon color is for the short answers and all the pink color is for the long answers. However, I am just discussing the answers. You can even write in your own words. So the history is the study of changing pattern in society. No two periods are alike in history. It is the study of change. The changes that occur over time constitutes the essence of history.